Hey, beautiful people, it's your girl, Princess Doll, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's super trendy right now. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't about you eat, but you eat. Basically, it's all about cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule. So if you're ready to unlock the power of intermittent fasting for yourself, keep watching. Okay, so what exactly intermittent fasting? In the simplest terms, it's like setting a timer for your eating window each day. When you eat, it's like filling your gas tank. Intermittent fasting is like giving your body a break from constantly refueling and letting it coast on the energy it already has stored. When you fast and those glucose stores run low, your body switches gears and starts tapping into stored fat for fuel. This metabolic switch can have some pretty amazing effects on your body, like weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and even cellular repair. For now, just remember that intermittent fasting isn't a diet in the traditional sense. It's more of an eating pattern, a lifestyle choice that focuses on you eat, not necessarily you eat. Now let's dive into the different ways you can actually intermittent fasting. One popular method is called the 16-8 method. You fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. Another option is the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and then restrict your calories for 2 non-consecutive days. And then you have alternate day fasting, which is exactly how it sounds. You alternate between days of eating normally and days of fasting or severely restricting calories. The best method for you really depends on your lifestyle, preferences, and how your body responds. Ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Awesome! I'm so excited for you. First things first, start slow and listen to your body. If you're new to fasting, don't feel like you need to jump into a 16-hour fast right away. Maybe start with a 12-hour fasting window and gradually increase it. Hydration is key. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout your fasting periods. When it comes to breaking your fast, start with a small, balanced meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. And remember, this isn't about starving yourself, it's about nourishing your body. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, the amazing benefits of intermittent fasting. First up, weight loss. IF can help your body switch from burning sugar for fuel to burning stored fat. But it's not just about the number on the scale. IF has also been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, which means your body can regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Some studies suggest that IF could even have brain-boosting benefits, potentially improving memory and protecting against cognitive decline. During fasting periods, your body gets busy cleaning up shop, removing damaged cells and promoting cellular regeneration. It's like hitting the reset button on your cells. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being, but it's essential to be aware of potential risks and considerations before you get started. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions, especially diabetes, eating disorders, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet. While intermittent fasting can be very effective for weight loss, it's not a magic solution, and it's not suitable for everyone. If you experience severe hunger pangs, dizziness, fainting, or any other adverse reactions, stop fasting immediately and consult your healthcare provider. The key to long-term success is finding a sustainable approach that aligns with your individual needs and preferences. So there you have it. We've covered all the basics of intermittent fasting, from what it is and how it works, to the different methods, benefits, and potential risks. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.